know why it's in it, because it's not that fun and it's not that glamorous, you know. But it's just, it wins, man. It wins, you know what I mean? That's what the game is all about, is fundamentals and knowing how to do it the right way, you know what I mean, as opposed to, you know, the way that might be the newest way, you know what I mean? Just fundamentals. I mean, the game is meant to be played one way, you know what I mean? And I think it's the fundamental way, you know, knowing, you know, dribbling with the left hand and being able to cross it to the right hand as opposed to, you know, behind the back and under the legs, and, you know what I mean, just fundamentals, you know what I mean, just knowing, you know what I mean, just knowing that if you only need to take one dribble or two dribbles max, there's no need to take 5 or 6 and do a move and end up at the same spot, you know what I mean, just fundamentals, just knowing how to play the game.
Chauncey, there are players at all levels, from beginners to advanced, male and female, that are watching this tape in order to get better. And that's why we call it better basketball. We want to get players better. Mm-hmm. What's your advice to them?
I think, you know, my number one word, man, for getting better, you know, at this game, you know, has always just been repetition, you know, and doing it, you know, and continuing to do it, you know, and just believing in it, because I just feel like if you do something so many times, your confidence level is going to always change, you know what I mean? You do it for the first time or two, you're like, man, why can't I 10, 12, 15, 16 times, days in a row, 3 or 4 or 5 months? Now it's become second nature to you. Now it's instincts now. And, you know, I know that I'm not going to miss that shot if I get an open shot, or I'm not going to, you know, misread that play, you know what I mean? So I just think repetition is everything.
Repetition is boring. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people say that, but, you know, if you want to get better, you know what I mean, and if you love this game, it's not that boring. You know what I mean? You can take your ball, and you don't need coach so-and-so to come with you, or your little brother, or, you know, your friends. You can go all by yourself and just do it. You know what I mean? Just continue to shoot that shot, or continue to, you know, make your dribble moves, or do whatever you're going to do. It's a game that you can play by yourself and you can practice by yourself. So, you know, repetition, I think, is the key to getting better.
Excellent. Hey, I really appreciate you taking time out of your schedule to come share it with us.
Thank you.
All right.
All right.